How to fix voicemail notification won't go away in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, restart device, press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two option, power off, reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon, swipe down. After swipe down this icon, restart device. Now go back. After that, clear phone app data, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see apps, search phone app. Now click on phone app, scroll down. Now here you will see clear data, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, phone data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear phone service app data, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, again click on apps. Now here you will see app, search phone service app. Now click on phone service app, scroll down and click on clear data. After click on clear data, phone service app data will be clear from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification won't go away in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.